Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. I can confirm bafethu ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ucoach omusha, but-ke kunezinto ekumele bandlule kuzo before bafika kucoach omusha, and then ngizo-explain ukuthi ama-co-coaches ame kuphi kuyo yonke le situation lena bafethu, uBen Yusuf no-Cedric Keza. But asiqale la. Jose Rivero bafethu la eSouth Africa simbonile lana interactor one of the leaders lapha no-Kaizer Chiefs uJessica Mtaung. Obviously they are fishing for a coach. It's a great opportunity for bona ukuthi bambuze straight ukuthi mfethu are you available uzokwazi ukucoacha iKaizer Chiefs now if i-chance iyazipresenta, cause uke washo ukuthi ngeke uphinde ucoache i-team yase-South Africa. To be honest, obvious abantu bayashintsha nezinto ziyashintsha bafethu, kudependa ngedili. Why Jose Rivero angaba perfect for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ngike ngasho man ukuthi uyakwazi ukusebenza nama-youngsters and akalidi nge-aggression kufana nabanye ocoach, like ufana nobaba isikhathi esiningi, unesineke namaplayer Orlando Pirates bawamncoma kakhulu ukuthi uyakwazi ukukhuluma nabo kahle, ukuhlala nabo phansi akhulume nabo, abuilde umuntu uyakwazi ukukhulisa i-confidence ye-player ukuthi i-believe i-player ukuthi okay they can do this thing. And obviously ba-super ambitious, banama-ambition ukuthi bafuna ukubuyela ku-CAF Champions League next season. So bangenza kanjani ukuthi baphumelele ku-CAF Champions League lese or benze kahle manje likini and then next day baku-CAF Champions League. Jose Rivero nayo leyo experience leyo laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Siyazi ukuthi ku-Al Ahly izinto azihambanga kahle, to be fair, so ba-honest azihambanga kahle, but-ke ibhola lase-South Africa uyalazi futhi yawa-understand ama-player wase-South Africa, nanokuthi what to expect e-South Africa. Kusuwucoach oba-frustrated laphana ebhentshini, no, ukhamu. Obviously-ke ukulida i-team efana ne-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs cishe zifana in terms of i-statue, so it won't be a problem for yena because uyazi ukuthi u-expecteni. Ku-Orlando Pirates meyeqala umfowethu noma ngithi ucoach laphana bekungekho lula, bekunzima kakhulu, but ukwazile ukuhandlela lo pressure walethele i-Orlando Pirates ama-trophies. I remember the time before ahamba besekuthiwa is he the greatest coach ever to, or is he the greatest ever to coach i-Orlando Pirates, and then besekompetwa namanye ama-Orlando Pirates greats, but akakozange uyithole i-league, maybe into emholded back. But yeah, for iKaizer Chiefs angaba u-perfect coach bafethu ukuletha umuntu olazi ibhola and then uthanda ukusebenza nama-youngsters, okwazi ukulida with kindness, because if you are a leader you have to be kind, ungabi bossy, akanazo zonke lezo zinto lezo bafethu. It's easy to engage naye nama-players around laphana eteamini. So lokhu kubabekaphi bafethu ucoach ulona uCedric nolokhunjana who's this coach uBen Yusuf bobawu-2, because yibo ababambe intambo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs at the moment. So akunankinga enkulu bafethu ku-Cedric Keza no-Ben Yusuf. Bona kumele benze kahle this season and then bazokhuluma nabo isizini miphela. Remember, the most important thing la kumele siyikhumbule, i-contract yabo iyaphela vele ngoJune, ngeyi-30 June iyaphela i-contract yabo yaku-Kaizer Chiefs. So it doesn't make sense, it won't make any sense ukuthi baba-retain babanike ama-contracts anew but still bathi ama-co-coaches. Into abangayenza ukuthi maybe bakhethe oyedwa abe i-head coach, because of badinga i-head coach, not lento yabo abayenzayo ukuthi babe no-coach abawu-2, babe nama-authorities awu-2. Ama-player dlala umjikejo phela lapho bafethu, you don't know which directions to take because of they have different philosophies and like different ways of seeing the game. This game ubona lo, this next game kuphakama lo, conference lo usho lo, so kuyahluka kuyaclasha. So if benza kahle ucoach they might survive, but I don't think bangasurvive bayi-2 because omunye kumele ehle, akekho khona kumele ehle between the two, kumele kube no-coach oyi-1 lapha nesicongweni. Izobasebenzela leyo nto leyo asazi, so bona isizini mayiphela ukuthi bazokhendlela kanjani lokho, but for sure I don't see them staying. In fact, I don't see mhlampe if khona uzohlala kuzohlala oyedwa, abazokholelwa kuye oyedwa ukuthi okay this one is the one, uye umuntu abazophusha ngayo. But-ke yeah, they need ulo coach. Bekunama-links obviously-ke uManqoba Mnqithi, who is the other coach abake waba linked to iKaizer Chiefs, but the big one uManqoba Mnqithi, because of kusho i-agent lakhe straight ubaba laphana uManqoba Mnqithi ukuthi no, iKaizer Chiefs ike yazithinta yafuna ikhala ngo-coach, uManqoba Mnqithi ibuza, but-ke yeah, but-ke bayibonisile interest, which was very important. These coaches, okay, to be honest, these coaches have done well. in terms of like the pedigree that they don't have. um so far so good. Isizini izoba long, bazoba tested ukubonakala ukuthi bazokwazi ukuhandlela everything. Nanokuthi-ke it's very important. Or yeah, thi ngisho lento le ukuthi ngingayikhohlwa, babagcina labo coaches laba because of imali bafowethu. Bekumele angithi kunalento ise-agreement, bekumele vele bahambe no-coach nabo, ababagcini based on i-project, babagcina based on imali. You looking at ama-salaries acombine, estimation bafethu, calculated guess, looking over 600,000 a month, just lobo coaches laba babawu-2 as ama-assistant coach, yabo. And then, meaning that you have to pay them for 10, 12 months, meaning that you're saving around 7 million if bayahlala laphana ethimini. Akumelanga uhambe uyothola omunye, let's say ubhadala laba ipackage yabo 6 million, and then uyothola omunye ucoach futhi uzomnika i-contract entsha, umsayinise lese i-contract ka-3 years i-long term, and awukakamthembi lo coach lo, awazi nokuthi uza nani. So it was a safe bet for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ithi sibagcine labo coaches laba, sobona because of they understand the project abayiqala no-coach nabo. Cause make it make sense bafowethu, there is no way labantu laba bafundiswa bobawu-2 labo coach laba bakhuliswa u-coach Nabi kulezi zinto lezi zoku-coach. La u-coach Nabi ayakhona bahamba naye, so they are inspired by u-coach Nabi, only for ihero labo balixoshe ku-Kaizer Chiefs bashiye bona abantu phela bafundiswa u-coach Nabi izinto eziningi, but-ke bona bayasala. Yenzeka kanjani lento le? Meaning that they follow ama-footsteps waka-coach Nabi amanye, but-ke maybe bona i-leadership yabo i-different than u-coach Nabi, but-ke babhilivela kwizinto ey'cishe ey'fane. That is why bakwazile ukusebenza with u-coach Nabi for some time. There is no ebhentshini next season, there is no way babe bobawu-2 unless omunye uzovuma ukuthi asithi benza kahle, they win, let's say, CAF Confederations Cup, they do well elikini, they whatever, they get ama-results, benza nje kahle kakhulu, kuzohlalwa phansi at the end of the day, because kufuneka ucoach oyi-1, akufuneka ama-head coach awu-2. They can do like manje basabambisile nje until isizini iphele. Already Kaizer Chiefs ikhuluma nabanye bocoach, or bayazama ukuhlala phansi bakhulume bathi if nayo-ke into eyenzakalayo emathimini njalo, because kuyaziwa ukuthi kunesikhala se-head coach laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ayikho i-head coach at the moment, angithi kunama-co-coaches already ba-reach out kuma-agents, lese agent akanqoba mnqithi namanye abacoach ababona ukuthi bangakwazi ukulida i-project e-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi makungenzeka something thola ukuthi ama-coach awakwazi ukuhandle pressure, and then bakwazi ukureplace ngalabo coaches laba immediately. Fana if nayo ama-terms wabo coach bafethu bebaxoshiwe noma bebahambile if abaqualifyanga i-CAF Confederations Cup kuma-group stages, if abaqualifyanga bekugone, bebahambile. So they were placed ukuthi baqualify for ama-group stages, baku-achievile lokho. I think bayadeserve ukusithola leso sikhathi leso, sibajaje isizini yonke mase seyihambile bafethu noma seyiqhubekile, or by the end of the season. Ucoach lo Jose Rivera ushilo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu se-improvile compared to le Kaizer Chiefs leya last season. Uyasho ukuthi hhayi i-improvile ngempela makayibona. Beyakhuluma laphana kulento le ye-culling, about yonke nje i-improvement yabo e-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi nawo amagama akho ukuthi benza kahle better than last season. Uthi naye wathuka laphana iSikhukhune United, kusho ukuthi masibashaya laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs because of baqala isizini kahle kakhulu. So yeah, uthi but-ke la kuzoba nzima khona bafethu, kuzoba nzima second half of isizini, ngoba isizini phela i-30, kudlalwa amagame ayi-30 bafethu, akukho lula ukudlala amagame awu-30. So sometimes uthola ukuthi ama-team aqala kahle for the first 10 games, 15 games, but the second half of the season kuba nzima kakhulu because of ama-teams amaningi alwela i-relegation, amanye alwela alwela izinto eyi-different ey'ningi. Abanye bafuna ukusurvive izembe, abanye bafuna ukungena ku-top 8, abanye sokunama-recruitment kufana ne-Orbit College manje iyaqala ukusayina ama-players yawo add, amanye azodlala January mekuphela i-AFCON. So uyabona ukuthi ama-team amaningi afuna uku-improve-ke manje, kula izoba nzima kakhulu-ke i-league. So sobona ukuthi i-Chiefs bafethu izokwazi ukukubekezelela konke lokho second half of the season, nanokuthi idlala amagame amaningi alandelanayo. They need a coach. They will get a coach, that's for sure. They will get a head coach. Khona ozohamba laphana ebhentshini noma bazohamba bobawu-2. There's no way bahlale bobawu-2. That I can guarantee you. Danke bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.